Welcome to our YouTube channel Mayank for Tech. This is 8th lesson of computer fundamental. Let's get started. Central process unit CPU. It is brain of computer. It is control the operation of other unit of computer system. CPU is basic component are control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Control unit is a component of CPU. It is tell the computer memory, arithmetic logic unit and input and output device how to respond a program instruction with use of control unit. Arithmetic logic unit ALU, it is a component of computer control processing CPU. It is the part of CPU that perform arithmetic and logic operation like addition, subtraction, less than, greater than, etc. Register. Register is a memory system in CPU. The definition of register: a register is a small amount of very fast memory that is built the CPU in order to speed its operation by providing quick access to commonly used value. A register is inbuilt in CPU and it is very fast memory. A register quick accept, store and transfer data and instructions that are being used immediately to execute and instruction. The control unit of the CPU retriever it from main memory and place into a register. Register is retrieve data for main memory. There are different type of register. Some important type of register I have mentioned in this video. Program counter, that is known as PC. It keep the address of the next instruction. Memory address register MAR, it holds the address of memory location. Memory data register MDR, it store the data to be stored in computer or the data after for the computer storage. Current instruction register CIR, it is store the instruction data is currently excited. Accumulator, it is used for store data and for carrying out arithmetic and logic manipulation. There are some other register, but these are commonly used in register and popular register. Type of processor. In a computer there are some different type of processor. Complex instruction set computer CISC processor, it is large instruction set. It is variable length instructions. It is variety of addressing model, complex and expensive of to produce. Basically it is used in personal computer. Second one is reduced instruction set computer. It is a small instruction set, fixed length instruction. It is reduced reference to memory to retrieve operation. RISC processor, is basically used in workstation explicitly parallel computing. It is allows software to communication explicitly to the processor or parallel use tighter coupling between the compiler and the processor. Explain compiler to extract maximum parallel in the original code and explicit describe it is to processor. This is processor is used high level and server and workstation. Multi-core processor. Multi-core processor chip has multiple color running more energy efficient processing cores, improve overall performance by handling more work in parallel. It can share architecture components such as memory elements and memory management. The use of multi-core processor is in high-end server and workstation. What is main memory? Main memory is also known as primary storage, primary memory, main memory, internal memory. Storage within the computer itself is main memory, known as main memory. Primary memory hold data only temporarily as the computer execute instruction. In main memory, computer has temporary storage built into the computer hardware. The main memory instruction and data of a program mainly when the program is being executed by the CPU. We have also explained the different name of main memory. Physically, it consists of some chip, either one the motherboard or on a small circuit board attached to the motherboard of a computer. It has random access property. It is a volatile. RAM. A RAM is also full name is random access memory. Primary storage of computer is often referred to as RAM because of its random access capacity. A RAM chip are volatile memory. It is important. A computer motherboard is designed in a manner that the memory capacity can be adding more memory chip. You can change the RAM. The additional RAM chip which plug into a special socket on the motherboard are known as SIMMs, single inline memory module. A read-only memory is a non-volatile memory chip. Data stored in a ROM can only be read and used. They can not be changed. A ROM are mainly used to store program and data which do not change and are frequently used. For example, system boot program. Cache memory. Cache memory in a system, your hard disk, main memory, and cache memory is also a storage device is temporary storage device in CPU. Cache memory is commonly used for minimizing the memory processor speed mismatch. Cache memory is an extremely fast small memory between CPU and main memory whose access time is close to process speed of the CPU. Your cache memory is improve your CPU speed. Cache memory used to temporarily storage very active data and instruction during the processing. Cache is pronounced as cache memory. It is fixed, it is not change. So thank you for watching this video.